Do you want to know with which simple life hack your home office work will be much more productive? Then stay tuned. Welcome to a new episode. In the last two ones, Ron and Louis showed you some gaming use cases which were quite fun actually.
Drill some holes, screw the clips, and attach your LED strips, connect the LEDs to the controller, to the Senseblock, and wait for some...
But today, let's get a little bit more real, shall we? So, welcome to my office. Oh, shit, should I have said that? Yeah, I admit it. I'm in my office right now, and I'm the worst human being for not being at home in Corona times. But I have reasons, I promise. So why is it hard for me to do home office? Well, for many people there are different reasons. Maybe you have children. Maybe your internet sucks. Maybe you're in a noisy environment. But for me, it's my friends. I share my flat with some dear friends. And don't get me wrong, I really love them. But more often than not, when I'm in a Zoom meeting or I just want to record a video, someone will interrupt me. For me, it takes a really long time to get back into that focused state. I don't blame them, it's not their fault. They don't know when I'm open for some chit chat and when I really don't want to get distracted anymore. So here comes our savior, Senseblock. And all you need is the Senseblock, an LED strip, and an LED controller supported by Senseblock. You know what's funny? In the last use cases, we almost had the same hardware, but we created so many different use cases. And we have so much more hardware which is supported by us. So that's for me a testimonial of the power of Senseblock and actually really no limits for your creativity and what you want to build with it. We will build an interactive light which will notice people if we not want to get distracted when we're in a Zoom call. You know, record boxes or record studios had this for years. They had a light where you know if you're recording or not. Well, classic scenario, but all the more useful. So for our editor, we provided a new block, a Zoom block, which basically, you guessed it, shows your Zoom stats. You just have to authorize it to access your Zoom account, and you can interact on your own profile data. For example, if you're in a meeting or not. The fun thing is it's interactive. So you don't have to manually turn it on or off. It will know itself when you're in a Zoom call and when you don't want to get distracted. Based on that, you can tell your LED strip to show a color. So just plug
it into this box here, the modem. I can then switch on the modem and we're ready to go.
On in our Senseblock editor. Let's go. First, we want to get the data from our Zoom node. And basically, we just drag it in here. And then you have the Access Zoom button. You just click on that one and we will automatically get access to your account if you approve it. I already approved it before, so that's already it. The next thing is that we want our meeting ID. So I open Zoom and here I can go to my chats or meetings and I have a meeting ID and I can just copy that one, paste it here and confirm. So then the next thing is that we want our color to get displayed. You can just connect it like this. And then I want the color to be red. Alright. And finally we go on our Tinkerforge menu. If they don't appear, you can just click on the title paper and we'll again search for connected hardware. And here we got our LED strip. We just connect it like that. And yeah, that's really it. That's it. We now got our use case finished. So let me see how long it took me to create this flow. Wow. That's not very long for this use case. If you would use traditional methods like an Arduino or program it yourself, you would probably need days.
It's almost finished now. Just need another piece of wire. What did I do?
I can demonstrate it to you that it really works. So I open Zoom, access it, and you see behind me, it worked. And when I go out, the LED is blank again. So now, whenever I'm working, especially if I have a Zoom account, Zoom meeting I mean, people will notice it and they're not distracting me anymore. I can finally be productive and work my ass off, even at home. And if you know someone who has problems working from home, please share this video and maybe it's a solution for that person too. Anyway, thank you so much that you made it with me through this video. Please leave a like, subscribe with the bell so you get all the new updates, and see you next time.